Yama ate a little waste. The angry waste group immediately surrounded the big spicy strips. Then the relentless biting and dragging began. It is necessary to eat this spicy strip as a snack. Not long ago, the waste group door was in the secret room outside. But just then, a shout came not far away. When the trash ran over, they found out. A large rock wrapped around his copper plate. To rescue it, the scraps immediately surrounded the rock in the middle. It's a pity that the other party is too big. Even branches. There is no other way. African rock. It is the largest non-venomous snake in Africa. Adult Yama's body length can generally reach 5 to 6 meters. Weight can reach hundreds of kilograms. With its thick body and strong winding force. Can easily strangle antelopes and hounds and even crocodiles. Is the top strangling predator on the African savanna. Even a lone lion meets him. It may not be able to escape Yan Meng's entanglement. If it weren't for the unity of the waste group, the companion in front of him had already been dragged away by Yan Meng. Waste groups are typical highly social animals. They usually take a dozen. Even dozens are for a group. The internal hierarchy is clear. There was a clear division of labor. In case of danger, a collective alarm will be issued. Siege natural enemies together. Rescue companion. A single scrap is not Yan Meng's opponent at all. But teamwork is incredibly intimidating. Not even lions or leopards dare to be easily provoked. Soon, the scrap was strangled to the bone. He lay on the ground, dying. Yama's highest winding force. Able to reach about 90 pounds per square inch. That's about 400 kilopascals. Simply put, when you are entangled by Yama, the pressure on the body per square centimeter, equivalent to about 4 kilos. This terrifying strangulation will directly compress the chest cavity, blocking blood flow. Sure, it can suffocate prey in a few minutes and cause bone fractures. No matter how big the prey is, once it is entangled, there is no possibility of escape. And this one in front of you, after Yan Meng killed the waste, he still wanted to retreat. But all his options, all blocked by the derelict army. The scraps are bound to avenge their classmates. Bite this spicy strip into small pieces and swallow it into your stomach. Yan Meng never dreamed of it. Forget it if you don't eat waste meat. He also put his life in it together. Waste is a highly intelligent primate. Not only has a strong memory and extremely vengeful, they understand teamwork. Division of labor even use simple tactics to consume opponents. Once a classmate is killed, the whole group will go crazy with revenge. In a ferocious crawl, it's hard for animals to get away when they're entangled. Finally, under the attack of more than a dozen scraps, the big spicy strips were successfully bitten into a hornet's nest. What awaits it will be devouring and shredding.